Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode 261 of Trading Talk. In this week's episode, our senior trader Matt continues to build on the oil arbitrage model he began last week with some great improvements you won't want to miss. We're rapidly approaching this year's algo trading conference and we're now putting some of the finishing touches on the models from Nick Raj, Johan Christian Lotter and Christina Chi. And we're really looking forward to having them here very, very soon. With this year's conference comes some really exciting new features in TradeView X. There's too many to list in this Trading Talk intro, but give me a call on the desk and I'll be happy to run you through all the details. Remember, some of the features might only be available to conference attendees, so make sure you get your ticket now so that the features are available to you. Believe me, you'll want to start using the features ASAP in your own trading. I really hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.